absolutely delicious visually and taste. All you need is 200 millilitres of whipping cream and 50 millilitres of milk. Add that to a pot, bring it to the boil, and then we add 200 grams of dark chocolate buttons. You can use pieces or buttons, it doesn't really matter. We're going to stir this quite well. You won't feel so guilty about eating this very chocolatey dessert after all that stirring. So we add 1 egg, no need to whisk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to that, and mix it up nicely. And there we have it, our chocolate ganache. Ready to take off the stove, let it cool for a bit. Meanwhile, we're going to do our base to our pie. So we've got some homemade short crust pastry here. You can make it yourself, it's very easy, just a few ingredients. Or you can, if you're in a hurry and you've got your busy lifestyle, you can just buy pre-made short crust pastry from the store. So we're going to press that pastry down into our dish, making sure it's moulded in nicely, pressing all around the edges. And when that's done, we can remove the excess pastry, use that for a mini pie maybe later on. Right, now we're going to just get some air into the base, so in the cooking process it will help it to be nice and crispy. Add some banana slices on top of that. And of course, our chocolate ganache. This has already got my mouth watering. Absolutely delicious. Now, that goes in the oven at 150 degrees for just 15 minutes. That's right, folks. It is super fast to cook this one. Once we've done that, we're going to add our chocolate pieces on top to create a checkered effect. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and of course, white chocolate. You might have to cut some of the pieces slightly to size to fit the circle shape. I'm creating our beautiful checkered effect all across the top. And that is going to go back in the oven, which we've left on for just 3 minutes to slightly melt the chocolate on top. And it's ready to tuck into. What's not to love?